Are you ready for a great workout? A head-to-toe toning total body workout. You are going to be efficient and effective because we're going to work two major muscle groups at once. So let's get started. It's a twofer today. Yes, two workouts in one. Working two major muscle groups all at the same time, making your time most efficient to firm and shape and sculpt your muscles head to toe. Let's go. Warming up the whole body, working on the arms, the legs, the hips, thighs, and buttocks. They warm up the body quicker and more effective and efficient because they're larger muscles. So let's stretch up. Inhale and exhale. Work your legs. That's it. Side to side. Wonderful. Stretch. Last one, and let's stretch to the side for the upper back, the shoulders. That's it. Beautiful. Work your legs, the back of your thighs. You got it. Keep the abs in. Beautiful. You can do this. You can, I promise. Stand up with me and just begin. You'll feel so much better after we're done. I promise. The energy will be filled in your body. You'll feel great for the day. No more stress or tension. Ease it all away. Exercise is the best preventative medicine there is. Two more. Last one. Okay, inhale and exhale. Get the oxygen to flow to every cell in your body. And let's begin with our first move. It's a lift and it's a lunge. It's a lift up and a lunge back. Now we're working the biceps as well as your hips, thighs, and buttocks. And you're also working your abs by pulling them up and in to help you balance. That's it. Last one. And hold it up here. Take it down. Now chest presses. Take it down. Reach up. Great. Upper back for those lats. No more bra overhang. That's it. Working the legs and buttocks at the same time as your upper body. Making it effective, making this workout efficient. We got two more of these. Come on, really pull down. Last one. Beautiful. Let's go to the other side. Take a nice deep breath. Inhale and take it back. Inhale, bicep curl and back. Squeeze the buttocks. That's it. Tighten up that tushy. Back is strong and straight. Always think good posture, good body technique, making the most out of every exercise. Last one, take it up and down. Lift up and press down. Lift up and press down. That's it. Shaping and toning those muscles. Yes. Total body workout, our twofer. 2 for 1. Last one. And release. Okay, come out in front now. Inhale and exhale. We're gonna lunge to the side and lift out. Lunge to the side. Now we're working the legs, the outer thighs, and the buttocks. And at the same time, you're thinking about good shoulders. That's it, strengthen them. Think about your stomach in. Great, zip up those abs. Beautiful. Last one. Great, okay, and shift legs. Let's go to the other side. Take it down, lift overhead. Good. It's a little harder. The more you work your arms and your legs, the more calories you burn. You're boosting your metabolism. That's it. And that's what we need, right? Yes. Good. Last one. And relax. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Now come on down. I've got a great move for your abs as well as for the waistline. Thinking about good posture. Take it side and to the other side. That's it. Work that waistline, the sides of your waist. That's it, so they go in. Yes, you got it. And while you're lifting your knees up like this, feet off the floor, you're getting more of the lower tummy. That's an area we all need to really strengthen. Good. Keep everything in nice body position. Good. Tummy in, pull it in, belly button in. Last one. Okay, beautiful. Working the waist and your abs. Now it's time to come all the way down to the side. And we're gonna do a side twist up and reach out. Really reach in and out. Cinch in your waistline. Yes, and reach. So it's a tighten and a lengthener. That's it. Work those arms too. That's the way we're working all the major muscle groups. We really need to target tone and shape and tighten. That's it. We got 2 more here. Last one, you guys. Come on. Do it, do it, do it. Okay. Hold the leg up now. Little baby lifts and circles. Circle all the way around. While this arm is straight out, you will start to feel it on the sides of your waistline. Woo, I can. Can you? That's a great one. And circle now to the other side. All the way around. All the way around. Tighten up the waistline. So you're doing 2 areas at once. The waistline to slim the lower abs as well as your thighs and buttocks. Last one. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's do it to the other side. The first one is the side crunch. Reach out and pull in. If you can lift, it's even more challenging. Working more of the muscle of the waist. That's it. The side body. Beautiful. Smile. We're gonna firm up together. Yes, we are. And burn some calories. Boost the metabolism. Beautiful. Really reach. Cinch in that waistline. Cinch it in. Yes, you got it. 2 more. Last one. Okay, and hold it up. And lean out your legs now. That's it. And little circles. Go one direction. Tighten up your thighs. Squeeze your buttocks. Think about your sides of your waistline. Don't slug around like this. It's all about tightening here. So the circle really takes you off balance. So you have to use your abs. That way you really feel your abdominals working as well as your obliques. Circle the other direction. Ooh, my legs are getting a little heavy. I get it. I know. 2 more. Last one and reach it out. Beautiful reach. Great. And slowly sit nice and tall. Taking a deep breath. Inhale up. Exhale out. Beautiful. Now up to our hands and knees. And let's begin working on a little bit of our arms as well as our buttocks. So all you have to do is lean down, elbows stay close to your body, squeeze your buttocks and push back up. Now we're target toning the back of our arms as well as the back of our legs and the buttocks. Such an effective workout. It's all about toning. Yes, keep it up. We got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. And all you have to do is switch sides. You can do it. It's worth it. This is how we're gonna get that toned, tight tushy and look great from behind. Okay, align yourself in the right position. Tighten up those abs. You're gonna bring your chest down and push back up. Notice my elbows stay close to my body. That way I'm working the triceps. It's a little harder though. Challenge yourself. Even if you do 1, that's better than nothing, you guys. Come on. Come on, squeeze that butt too. Tighten it up. That's it. We got 1 more. That's great. And release. Beautiful. Take a nice deep breath together. Inhale. And exhale. Let's stretch it all out now. Stretch out and release. To the other side. Stretch and tone. I love this workout. Really feel good that you got every muscle worked. Last one. And relax. And give yourself a big hand. Keep it up.